On Wednesday, a Jaguar aircraft of the Indian Air Force crashed in Rajasthan's Choru district. While details of how the crash happened are yet to be known, reports have revealed that the aircraft crashed in an agricultural field in Bhanoda village in the district around 1:25 pm. This is the third incident involving a Jaguar fighter jet of the IEF. Seppicat Jaguar is a British-French supersonic jet attack aircraft which has been part of the IEF since the 1970s. The result of a joint venture between Breguet Aviation and the British Aircraft Corporation, the aircraft was exported to several countries including India, Oman and Nigeria. However, currently India is the only country that is still operating Jaguar fighter jets in active service. The aging Jaguar fleet of the IEF was involved in 3 accidents this year, including the crash in Rajasthan on Wednesday. While investigations into the earlier crashes are ongoing, technical faults and system malfunctions have been cited as likely causes into the 2 accidents that happened earlier this year. The first incident of the year was the crash in Gujarat. On April 2, an IEF Jaguar fighter jet crashed at a village near Jamnagar IEF station in Gujarat while on a training mission. One of the pilots, Flight Lieutenant Siddharth Yadav, died after ensuring his co-pilot ejected safely. The jet crashed at around 9:30 pm at an open field in Suvarda village, 12 km away from Jamnagar city and caught fire. An IEF Jaguar 2-seater aircraft airborne from Jamnagar airfield crashed during a night mission. The IEF had said and added that the pilots faced a technical malfunction and initiated ejection, avoiding harm to the airfield and local population. Unfortunately, one pilot succumbed to his injuries while the other is receiving medical treatment at a hospital in Jamnagar. The IEF deeply regrets the loss of life and stands firmly with the family. A court of inquiry has been ordered to ascertain the cause of the accident, IEF had said. The next incident was when in March another Jaguar fighter jet crashed shortly after taking off from the Ambala Air Base in Haryana. The incident happened on March 7 during a routine training sortie after the pilot encountered a system malfunction. The pilot maneuvered the aircraft away from any habitation on the ground before ejecting safely. Following the crash, an inquiry has been ordered to ascertain the cause of the accident.